folks, welcome back. In this video, we are going to build on the previous two videos and add the RAG model into our application that we built 2 weeks ago. So this RAG model we talked about in the last video, we can ask our large language model that is trained on this data set, this PDF, any question that we want, right? So we go here and we'll say, can my building in New York City get an Energy Star score? So you see it's updating, it's thinking, and now it's returning the answer right here. According to the provided context, which is this PDF, property types are eligible to receive Energy Star score. These are the types of properties. So this is the beautiful RAG model that I showed you in the last video in part 2, and it's based on, we're embedding it into the video in part 1, where we created this core plus map in this app, where if I click on the zip code, it will show us the buildings from that zip code. All right, so let's see. How do we embed this RAG model into our application? So the last video was this, r.rag.py. If you need the code, just go to Charm and Data, and you'll find the code there. And LinkedIn, I have it on LinkedIn. Now, what I did is I took all this code with a lot of good explanation to help you out, and I put it inside this application with a core plus map. So all of this is pretty much just copy paste. Taking the libraries, taking my env file, my chat, my OpenAI token, my large language models from Hugging Face, training on this data set. All of this all the way down here is pretty much just this code from the last video. And the only new thing I added into this app is this layout right here. These final 4 rows, 3 rows. If you look down here, you'll see we have this question, ask our LLM anything you want. Where is it? Here. Ask our LLM anything you want about the energy guide. Then the text area, which is this right here, an empty text area, on a button, and then a markdown where we're going to return the response of the large language model. And the final thing I added, because this was all in the first video, but I added this callback. So we're going to listen to the end clicks of the button. Whenever the button is clicked, this callback function will be activated. I'm going to grab the question, or at least the value of the user question. This is, remember, the text box. User question is the ID of the text box. So I'm going to grab the value, whatever is written in here, and we'll assign it to, we'll call it question. And if the length of the question is bigger than 0, if there's actually something in here and it's not an empty string, this will be equal to 0. This is empty string. But if something is in there, then activate the large language model, which, remember from the very last video, was this part right here, and then return the response into the children of our markdown. So this is right under the button. And you can ask it other things, right? This is the PDF. It has information on when will the building energy efficiency rating label be available. Let's see. When is a deadline? Well, let's ask it the deadline and see if it gets it. When is the deadline? We're not providing a lot of information, but maybe we'll understand it. So the deadline to print and display energy efficiency is 30 days after October 1st of each year. Exactly what it says right here. So we see our large language model and our RAG model is working perfect. It's trained on this data set or this PDF, and it's providing us some information. So this is just to get you started, right? You can add anything you want to your RAG model. Here we trained, where is it? Here we trained our PDF loader, right? But we can add CSV sheets to it. We can add additional Excel files to it. We can add transcripts from videos and train our large language models with all this information. And then when we ask it a question, it will have a lot of more information and data to work with. I hope this was helpful. If it was, click the like button, join Charm and Data. We're all working on projects together, and come practice your Python and data app and large language models and AI skills together with us. All right. I'll see everybody. Always remember, we're better together, so help each other out.